Just heading off for another camp. Not sure if it's going to be one night or 2 nights. Heading up to, I think we're going to stop at Ladies Well and then just go from there and see where we end up. So just pulled over here, East Maitland area. Just waiting for Richard from Outer Blues Touring, and then we're going to head up. Also do a cook up there tonight, and then see how that turns out. So as I said, not sure if it's 1 night or 2 nights. Also, I hope the audio is a lot better. I've just received the DJI wireless mic, so this is the first time I'm using that as well. So on the way to Ladies Well, and just on the way, I've been here before and I knew this was here, but I thought I'd stop and show you. Boot Hill, home of 101 lost souls. Rest in peace. Well, I think there's more than 101 here now. And I'm going to add a pair as well, a couple of. They just keep going, even up in the tree. So I've just arrived up here at Ladies Well. Nice easy drive from Newcastle. As I said, I followed Richard from Outer Blues Touring. You would have seen him in some of the previous videos. Just going to give you a quick rundown of his truck. It's got a good setup. Just come back from travelling around Australia. It's a Isuzu. Right. Introduce you to Richard, and he can talk you through the truck and his rooftop tent setup.
Afternoon. Yeah, so it's a Isuzu D-Max LSU, pretty much kitted out with mostly ARB gear. You've got your side rails, bull bar, it's got a Runva winch, basic Oricom CB. I used MRT tray and canopy just to keep the cost down a little bit. Bungie top electric top tent, which I can show you a little bit later. And yeah, and then pretty much did the interior myself. I won't go into too much, otherwise we'll use Craig's memory card.
You bought the crap out of you.
Bought the crap out of you. But yeah, all the electricals in there.
So you use projector?
Yeah, projector. Haven't had an issue, it's been great. So yeah, it's pretty much got your inverter, your battery charger, runs off solar and DC. Change it out eventually down the track to lithium. But yeah, no, it's been fantastic. Did the whole trip around Australia just recently.
Yeah, right.
The only thing I'm going to change out on it is the tray and canopy. Just go something a little bit more compact and smaller. I don't need it this size any longer. I'll be doing shorter trips from now on. Other than that, can't complain. It's been a great car.
And what about the rooftop tent? Takes an hour to set up.
The rooftop tent. I'll show you how quickly this one sets up. This is the best thing since sliced bread. It's you undo 4 clips, which I've already actually done, and
Yep.
it's a matter of pressing a button, which takes 18 seconds. That's it.
So guys, if you want to, and you see Richard or Jen out there, middle of the night, you can come and press the button and put it down on them. No, they do also have a safety isolator to protect them from friends like that.
Yes, we do. We know what our friends are like. But yeah, awesome. So
there you go, guys. That's just Richard's setup. As you said, he's just come back from Australia. There's plenty of footage on YouTube from him out of Blues touring. camp is. 50 metres. You come down this little track and leads us into one of the little pools. And this is one of them that I captured this morning. Nah, it went back up.
Yeah.
That's a deep pool there.
You want to keep going back up, go up?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, we'll just film this bit and then...
I suppose you could walk up here, go on these rocks, get into the shallow. Right, I'll be up there in a minute. So along the way to the main Ladies Well, the main pool, there's a number of little tracks, and you know, go and have a look at them, explore them. You might find that little spot that's not as busy as the others, and you have a bit of peaceful time. You can still hear the noise up the other pool from the families having fun. Right, okay, I'm finished. It's fresh out, there's no sun here.
No, it's cold. How beautiful is that?
So up early this morning, you would have just seen some footage, probably about 5:30 this morning I was up, just listening to the birds, and then I went down to the river and got some footage there. Really nice location. So that's it for Ladies Well, up in the Chichester State Forest, just near Barrington Tops. Really nice location, surprisingly quiet for this time of the year. We are up here at the end of December, Christmas school holidays. We're here mid-January. was lucky enough to grab this spot pretty much to ourselves. We've got one other car just beside us. So yeah, really lucky with that. Regards to stuff you need to bring all your own supplies. The nearest shop's probably 45 minutes away. Might not be that far, might be half hour, but you've got to drive to it, so bring all your own supplies. Firewood's a bit hard to find here. It's already been scavenged pretty well by everybody else. So on your way in, on the side of the road there's plenty of dead trees, so probably scavenge the firewood there, bring it in with you. As with everything, leave it better than you found it. So this campsite's not too bad. There's a few little things around it I'll pick up and put in our garbage bag and take with us. But considering Christmas school holidays up here, unfortunately I expected it to be a lot worse, so it's not that bad. So well done to everybody. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe.